Hey Glam by Debbie Tribe, you're welcome to another beautiful tutorial. Here we do everything makeup, hair and gilly tying. Today's tutorial is on how I transform this hair from this to this. So if you want to see how I transformed it, keep watching. Alright guys, disclaimer please, I wasn't able to record every aspect of this tutorial, so you're just going to follow what I explain even if I don't show it to you. So starting off, I washed my hair using the Trisine shampoo. So I just put the shampoo into a warm water, then I'm going to dip my hair into this warm water, then I'm just going to soak it in and gently press it. Now while I do that, I'm getting rid of the dirt, the oil, the dust in the hair. This hair wasn't really dirty, so the water did not change, but just to ensure that it's properly cleaned, I repeated the process. So this process was repeated. I rinsed it. You're going to see me rinse the hair right now. You can see how I'm gently patting the water out of the hair. You can see the water did not really change. So I'm just going to go ahead now and apply some more shampoo directly on the hair, just to ensure that the shampoo is getting into every part of the hair. Here I'm using Trisine, but you can go ahead and use any shampoo that you desire. All right, so I'm using the water directly from the tap. This water is cold, so I'm using it now to rinse the hair. Now I'm going to go ahead to repeat the process again. Just watch. Okay, so I'm applying additional shampoo and I'm washing the hair again, just lightly patting it, and you can see this time the water is way brighter than the initial one, so this tells me that my hair is clean. So now that I'm done washing it the second time, I'm giving it a thorough rinse using the cold water from the tap. Just washing it thoroughly, gently patting the excess water and soapy water out of the hair. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to apply the conditioner. Unlike when it was the shampoo was applied into the water, but now I'm going to be applying the conditioner directly on the hair. I'm not going to minimize the conditioner. I'm going to apply a generous amount all over the hair because I need to ensure that the hair is absorbing every part of it. We want the hair to come out looking soft so that it will be very easy to comb out. Just taking my time to giving it about 15 minutes to get into the hair before I brush it out. Now what you won't see in this video is me brushing out the hair and drying it, but eventually I dried out the hair. I didn't dry it under the hot sun, but I just kept it to dry out in a cool part of my apartment. Then I went ahead to brush the hair. Now brushing the hair out and with the hair properly dried, this is what the hair looks like. You can see it's looking more alive, it's looking more beautiful. Off camera, I made use of the XHC Argan Oil Heat Defense Leave-In Spray. This is just to protect the hair from heat. Now, making use of my Boots Everyday Extra Firm Hold Hairspray, I applied it generously on every part of the hair. This is to ensure that the curls are long lasting. I particularly like this holding spray because not only does it help my curls to last longer, it also adds this shine and vibrance back to the hair, and that's why I really love using this Boots Everyday Extra Holding Spray. Now just sectioning the hair, I'm sectioning the hair, combing it out, then coiling it with my coiler. This is the process I'm going to be repeating all through the hair. I'm going line by line. I'm taking my time because I want these curls to come out looking very good and very detailed. And by the time we're done, you're going to see what the finished look looks like. So now I'm styling the front of the hair, and I'm making use of my hot comb just to flatten out that top part, then also applying my holding spray and coiling it, and voila, this is the end of the tutorial. This is what the hair looks like. Then I'm just going to take out the pins, all the pins used on the hair, and you can see this is what it looks like. The curls came out looking very beautiful, the hair came out looking very beautiful. So I hope you'll be trying this out. Let me know how it went. Let me know how easy it was for you, and please do not forget to like, to share, to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video, in my next tutorial. Until then, keep winning. Bye.